Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. We offer tips on not just savoring food, but savoring life and homesteading and all sorts of things. And today I'm going to talk about what happens when they give you a mouth guard to wear, because you grind your teeth at night and that's breaking your teeth. So the answer is give you a mouth guard. Well, the problem is that then your mouth gets stuck open and you drool and yuck. And what do you do about a drooly pillow? Well, this is when we reach for some of Grandma's remedies. We get some of that nice 20 Mule Team Borax. It's a natural laundry booster, and that and some sodium carbonate or washing soda. It's not sodium bicarbonate, it's sodium carbonate. And we are going to put about a quarter cup of each of these into the absolute hottest water we can. And we're going to soak this pillow until the water cools down. And then I've done this with another pillow and it turned out really well. So hot water. Soak it. Keep pushing it down into the water. And we'll come back and show you how well it cleans. Okay, I forgot to tell you this before. This is after washing it in the washing machine with traditional soap, and it did not come clean. So we're going to do this again in Grandma's old-fashioned recipe with washing soda and borax, because I don't want a drooly pillow, and I don't want to throw it away and buy a new one. I want to fix the problem. So we'll come back after this is soaked and see how good this works. And there you have it. I took it out, I squinched it around in the water, let it set for about an hour. And then I took it out and I dried it. And there we have it. The stains are gone. And all it took was some washing soda and borax, hot water, and a little bit of my time. But this looks much more pleasant to lay my head upon. A trick from Grandma, still working today. Thanks for watching.